Hello, I'd like to introduce to you a lesson on the Big 6 research model. The Big 6 is a process model of how people of all ages solve an information problem. In this lesson, the student will learn the 6 steps of this research model presented in the FTIS EdTech video. They will check prior knowledge of this model by taking a pretest, and finally apply these steps using the handout provided. This lesson covers the following standards for middle school: the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, English, Language Arts, and Reading, Writing, and Research Skills. The International Society for Technology and Education Standard 3, Knowledge Constructor, where students employ research strategies and collect information to build knowledge. The Common Core English Language Arts Standards for writing and research to build and present knowledge. And the American Association School Library Standards of Inquire, Curate, and Engage, allowing students to ask questions, seek and share resources, while practicing responsible digital citizenship. After watching this introduction, complete this lesson in the following order: take the pretest, watch the video, download the handout for guidance and resources to further your understanding about the Big 6 research method, retake the test to check for understanding, and watch the conclusion video. These steps should help you get started with your research project. Happy researching!